green. We're here at Holley Ford Fest. Let's see what they got. I just heard that Vaughn Gittin Jr. and DeNofa about to do a tandem drift exhibition right here behind us.
This thing. This Pinto cruising wagon is set up like a land speed racer. Well, that's what it is, a land speed racer. I was talking to the owner a second ago. He was saying that he's been out a couple times to Bonneville with it. And I would love to check that out one day. All the land speed races in the Bonneville Salt Flats. That seems like such a great time.
well as most bracket stuff in the south is on each side.
This thing here is just such an eye catcher. This Maverick, that green is just absolutely gorgeous. And I love the white interior. And the owner a second ago when I was talking to him was saying that's what makes it look expensive.
We're going to go back over probably in the next 10 to 15 minutes, possibly. So make sure you are within instructions that you be able to come back up and watch some great games up here.
Oh man, that yellow one's sweet. That's a Fairlane GTA. Yeah, they were only designated as that for a couple of year models, I think, just 66 and 67. And the A actually means automatic. They're trying to be like the Europeans at that time for whatever reason. They had the GT and the GTA. That's pretty cool. It's one of those, must be one of those Hertz Rent-A-Racer cars. I know that those were pretty rare. I thought there was like 8 or 10 of them that were made, maybe just 4 that are still in circulation, still registered.
Racetrack 1034 to 132 miles an hour on the left, 1193 and 146 on the right hand side.
77 Mustang Cobra II, one owner, 28,000 original documented miles. Original only and current owner purchased me new straight off the truck from Vaughn Ford in Carbondale, Illinois, from a salesman named Ray on August 31st, 1977. My owner still even has the original temporary registration tag from the beautiful day that he brought me home to show the family. Man, you really don't see a Mustang 2 treated like that.
Racing Madison, Green Outlaw, first call for Elrock Renegade.